Let us take a stroll in this video through the city of Saarlouis and discover what it has to offer. Saarlouis is one of the ideal destinations for history buffs and culture lovers. Its cityscape is still characterized by historical fortress elements. Whether it's the Baroque fortress heritage of Louis XVI, the lively old town with its winding alleys, or the longest bar in Saarland within historic walls, the fortress city of Saarlouis has a lot to offer. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Saarlouis should be included in your itinerary, keep watching, because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Saarlouis. One must take the bus from the central train station to the city center. Visitors can explore the beauty of Saarlouis on foot. You will find an inviting fortress park and is a significant unique selling point for Saarlouis. The Bastion 6 has a platform that offers an impressive view of the city garden and its surroundings. The inside of the Bastion is home to the Dilfi restaurant. Here you can enjoy Greek cuisine in the impressive ambience of the Bastion. The good thing about the city is the short distances in the city center and between the Baroque fortress walls. Entering the so-called German gate welcomes everyone with huge golden crown statue. As you walk forward, you will reach in the center of the fortress city, known as the Great Market. It is surrounded by the town hall and business buildings. The area is utilized as a huge parking space. Also, the city's pride, the imposing Ludwigskirche and Fountain of Mary, can be found. The foundation stone for the former Baroque church was laid in 1685. Namesake was Saint Louis IX, patron saint of the city founder. The stained glass windows come from the Saarbrücken artist Ernst Alt. In the Ludwigkirche, a lead capsule with the preserved heart of the first governor of the city is in the altar. The Fountain of Mary in front of the church dates from 1955 and was erected on the occasion of the Marian year 1954. There is another imposing market square in Saarlouis where you can find various specialty shops that will make your shopping experience great. As I stroll through the winding alleys, I have observed that the city center resembles an endless stage with cafe, pub and bistro tables, parasols and ornate street lamps. Then I finally made myself to the Theater am Ring, built between 1957 and 1960 as a multifunctional cultural center with a combined film and stage theater. The Theater am Ring was ceremoniously reopened in 2016 after extensive reconstruction and modernization. Not far from it is the Ludwig's Museum. As part of the Ludwig Museums, the Ludwig Gallery Saarlouis offers an unusual and exciting exhibition program. With so much to see and do, Saarlouis offers plenty of ways to fill your days. Discover the day-to-day life of the city strategically built as a fortress town and have a great time exploring a charming city boasting with a rich and fascinating culture and history. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!
Mm-hmm.